Hi, it's Brian Shannon here from AlphaTrends.net. Today's Thursday, April 22nd, 2010. Let's take a look at these markets. The S&P 500 survived another test of the rising 20-day moving average and that trend line that we've been observing. So as I said yesterday, I think that we're probably likely to see more of a time consolidation for this market, and that's what it looks like. Is that we're not stuck, but we're in a range and working off the overbought levels that this market arguably have reached. This morning on the open, we had a gap lower. The market then stabilized near the daily S2 level, and looking at the 1 minute time frame, you can see it struggled with the daily volume weighted average price here, but mid-afternoon, about 1 p.m., that's when the market really took off, and just a very steady pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So once again, a very impressive performance from the market. We had 1,998 advancers for 1,000 decliners, so 2 to 1 was the breadth today. And the market remains in a good uptrend. We are in the middle of earnings season still, so that's going to continue to play a factor on this market. But as long as we continue to hold key levels, and today, that 120 level, when we broke back above the 120 level, that's when this market really took off once again. So, our range right now is basically 118.50 to 121.50, and smack in the middle of that is that 120 level that's been important. So still a little bit more neutral here near term, but if you look at the Nasdaq, new highs in the quad Qs, new highs in the Russell 2000 once again, and a hell of a turnaround for the semiconductors after they were testing that breakout near the 29 level. We can see here on the semiconductors, they created a lower low, but real strong move higher. So this group probably still needs to consolidate a bit, but back above $30.50, and maybe next week is when that happens. This group can really start to take off. If you want more in-depth information, go ahead and subscribe to AlphaTrends.net, where I review these indices in greater detail each day and give individual stock ideas as well.